Stocks rallied in August, fueled by an improving labor market, strong corporate earnings, and clarity on Fed tapering plans. The Dow Industrials gained 1.2%, while the S&P 500 rose nearly 3%. The Nasdaq Composite led, picking up 4%. Corporate profits in the second quarter were by all measures exceptional. Nearly 90% of reporting S&P 500 companies beat Wall Street estimates. Fed Chair Powell helped sentiment by saying the Fed may taper its bond buying, but higher interest rates were not imminent. The month was not without its share of worries. The Delta variant led to concerns about the economic recovery, but the bull saw cases slowing as August came to a close. In the month ahead, investors are expected to keep a close eye on the Fed, which ends its two-day policy meeting on September 22nd. Since the early days of the pandemic, the Fed has kept short-term interest rates near zero and has been buying treasuries and other bonds to support the markets. It now appears the Fed may scale back its monthly bond purchases as early as this year. Fed Chair Powell will provide insight on both rates and the bond program when the meeting ends. September 12th is National Grandparents' Day, celebrated the first Sunday after Labor Day. In 1969, 9-year-old Russell Capper sent a letter to President Nixon suggesting this holiday. Later, Marion McQuaid was recognized by President Jimmy Carter as the official founder. In 1979, National Grandparents' Day was officially celebrated for the first time. Whether you're a grandparent or a grandchild, use this Grandparents' Day to connect with someone who makes your life feel grand.